can hit yung ano.
Bam.
Heal
Sige,
up,
sige.
heal up only. Come back. Did we smash the south side already? Okay, good. Can we come southeast here? Yeah, kill this here. Yeah, my Zerg keep following me. Stop fucking straying around. Ready def. Demons on top of me, please. So that you can react. Step up with me. Ready defenses, okay? Yeah, listen, we kinda practice defenses here.
Mugi.
Tanks. They looking? Yeah, what? What's up?
Yung death tank mo, ginagank ng top spire. Wait. He's alive.
Can you ping? Are you good?
He's
He's bullocking ha. He's bullocking west side.
Yeah. Listen. Can I have one bomb engage shallow southwest on me? Yo, Marlika, get ready. Yo, bomb range. Listen, heal up. Get ready, okay? Yo, listen, cover my north side, okay? Yo, cover my north side, okay? Get ready, Marlika, get ready to headbutt, okay? Just wait. Wait, Marlika, get ready. Hold. On the clear cow, southwest, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Pull back.
Nickel
And heal up.
coming.
He's move.
Pull coming. Heal up. Pull back. Still reeve. Heal up on me. Yeah, can somebody keep watching it, okay? Wait, heal up. Just wait. South, get ready, okay? Southwest, wait. Yeah, one bomb engage shallow on me. Get ready. Yo, step up, Malika. Don't be scared. Okay, demons, just get ready. Demons, just get ready, okay? Yo, Malika, get ready. Everyone, headbutt, get ready. Load north, west side on the choke. 5, 4, headbutt, 3, 2, 1, headbutt. Give me full defend. Spread and heal up. Heal up fast on heal up.
Heal.
Siege. We're good. Heal up my northeast side. Heal up on my
Heal up.
northeast side. Okay, heal up my northeast side. Careful.
The
Yo,
bloodletter is
Kill
fucking.
the rats behind. Kill up the rats behind. Kill Starlight, nigga. Wait, why is he getting any heals? Go there. Got him. Go. Okay. Listen, get ready. Southwest shallow. Hood. Yo, lock tank inside. Okay, wait. Tank inside. Shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tank inside. Come back. Ready def. Come back. Ready def. Zeko looking north. Def north. Siege. Heal up. Malika step up. Yo, tank CC. Keep coming. Look at southwest, okay? Look at southwest of me, boys. Southwest of me. Get ready. Inside. Give me fake. Inside. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side of me now. Oh, come back and heal up. Ready def. Come back and heal up. Def inside and heal. Come back northeast, okay? Heal up, okay? Heal up.
He's bullocking. Shipper also.
Okay, good shit.
dismounted summer south.
Siege bow.
Dismount,
Summer south.
bomb,
Bomb
south.
coming south. Marlika, look at south side. Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side down. Come back. Ready, def. Kamis. Heal up. Kamis. Spread. Give me defense. Heal front line. Nice one, Woki. Good job. Come back. Heal up. Bunch of them dogs. Yo, come. Ready. Yo, just keep watching them, They're gonna regear. Just keep coming watching them, okay? Yo, look at... Kidnap this tank inside. Yo, nice top there, def tank. Marlika, get ready. Bomb. Inside, south, get ready. On the tank south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside tank. Kill the tanks here. Let's spread on the east side. Careful, spread on the east side. Careful on the northwest side, okay? Careful. Yeah, boys, when I say step up, you have to step up with me. Just ready your defenses, boys. Yo, my Oath Keepers, my Demons, my Exalteds. My Exalteds, you can def. Na-heal. Kiss na inside, okay? Malika, step up. Step up. Tanks, be in front. Tanks be in front, okay? Yo, listen. One of my, Jason, can you cover the stairs, okay? Defend. Heal on the stairs. Ready to headbutt. Southwest, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt, southwest. Now ready def. Careful on the northwest side. Def inside and heal inside, heal. Heal up fast. Bomb behind. Heal up behind. Spread. Yeah, I see him. Just wait, just hold. Spread. Defend inside. Malika, look at southwest on the gate. On the gate, southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate southwest. Now heal up. Come northeast. Careful, bomb on the south, okay? Careful. Bomb inside, okay? Careful. Bomb inside, careful. Heal up inside, heal up my south.
Zico looking.
Zico looking, ready to step up. Zico looking from the west side, ready to step up, okay? Heal up. Heal up only fast, get ready. Step up southwest now. Wait, did he call GG? What? No, right? Careful inside. Malika, look at west side, okay? Zico's on the west side, listen. Main Zig's on the west side, okay? Yo, listen. One bomb play kind of behind me. One bomb play kind of behind me. Just counter Zekol, okay? Just counter his main Zerg. His main Zerg is either gonna engage outside the stairs on my main Zerg or what, okay? Just play a little back, okay? Yeah. Use my main Zerg as meat shield. What's this? Ready def. Heal up. Sieges no engage. Step up. Sieges no engage. Step up. Yo, somebody cover my northwest, okay? One bomb cover my northwest. Malika. Everything southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone southwest now. Ready def northwest.
Siege blow.
Heal up. Kill the rats inside. Kill the rats inside. Yo, careful Summer scout behind, okay? Kill the summer rats, oh. Come. Yeah, my DPS, just stick with me, boys. When I step up with me. Listen, the guard runes, the demons, come on, you have to react, okay? You have to fucking train yourself to fucking be inside. Ready? Yeah, can we smash this south side?
Brim looking charging na.
Yeah, can we smash this south side? Careful on the south side, Can we smash this south side? Come southeast, so we have more space here. Can you smash this wall here? Fast. Yeah, listen, I need tanks. Yeah, I need tanks watching my southeast side now, okay? Listen, okay, I need tanks watching my southeast side now, okay? Yo,
outside, not wait.
Yeah, listen, step. Listen, walk up to the main Zerg, tank CC. CC. Yeah, CC. Look at inside on me, okay? Southwest side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Come back. Yeah, listen, a lot of the DPS are playing too far away. When main Zerg already engaged, you guys can step up, okay? Siege bow. Heal up, come southeast. Yo, careful north, careful. What's this? Just come south. I think they're killing... Yeah, okay.
Mugi, Pluck is here ganking all the rats.
Yeah, let them.
Join the fight.
Yeah, let them. But no, I still need scout, I still need scout on summer, okay? Careful. Smash. Okay, come southeast. We have security guards. Yo, careful on the south side. MMT, Bor Army on the south side bomb, okay? Yo, can we kill this guy?
Shiver.
Come back. Yes, come to me south side. Bombs, come to me south. Careful over the wall, guard rune, nice guard rune, okay, heal up. Just play on the south side. Listen, I need tanks on my south side. Make sure I don't get bombed from the south side, okay?
Siege blow northwest.
May second gate.
Yeah. Malika, get ready to...
Siege blow.
Heal up my north side, fast. Okay, good. Yeah, listen, tanks, be careful of the siege bow, okay? Smash with me, boys. Smash with me. People with hammers, they don't have engage. Smash with me. They're least likely to engage over the wall even. Careful on the south side, Smash the southeast side. Careful. Ready there.
Ekton,
They're looking,
careful.
they're looking.
Sikol is targeting tanks.
Okay, just smash. Yeah, he's targeting tanks, okay?
I'm looking.
Malika, look at kill this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill inside. Def. Good. Heal up. Come southeast. Spread southeast.
Siege ball.
Siege bow. Guys, come southeast, guys. Come
Southwest.
southeast.
Sikol.
Come southeast side. Heal up. Come south. Can we push out? Kill this out.
Kill this rat. They're gone.
Come.
southeast. Deep southeast.
Okay. Northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now. Come back in lab.
I'm looking.
Zikol wrapping,
Yo, guys.
Mix or not.
Guys, yo, listen, my main Zerg, look at where I am. My main Zerg, look at where I am. Yeah, my main Zerg, look at where I am. Yo, come. Yo, Xiaoping just killed a lot, man. Heal up. Yo, my main Zerg, can you follow me? I'm on the southeast side. Why you guys all on the fucking, Heal up. Why you guys all on the north side even? Malika, north side, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north side now. Nice. Nakaback, spread. Spread on the south
Engage.
side, okay? Heal up. Yeah, come southwest side. Def. Walk north now. Walk now with them. CC them. Yo, give me fakes on the west side. Walk with me, boys. Walk with me. Walk with me. Give me fake northwest. Give me fake. Look at the gate. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 gate. Come back and heal up. Yeah. Careful. Heal up. Def. Next route bang. Heal up only. Give me full death. Yeah, Malika, heal up front line. Malika, step up now. Siege bow no engage. Step up now. 8 seconds we're gonna engage. Give me fake deep west side. Yo, walk. Give me fake. Earthrun, give me fake. Big fake. Malika, look at here. Southwest on me. Get ready. 5. West side. 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me now. Come back. Ready def inside. Come right side. Ready def inside. Careful on the back line. Come right side. Okay, heal up. Yo, Liz, Loco, why you guys dying in front?
Z in the south.
Bomb south. Heal up. Oh, main Zerg is on the south actually. Can we come south? CC this. We're gonna engage on this. Give me fake now. Go out inside. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Come back. Heal up. Careful.
They engage. Player engage.
Heal up. Come to me south side. Yeah, my main Zerg, can you follow me, boys?
Inv inside.
Invi Bradley inside. Careful. Demon inside. Where is he? South side. Ayun, this block. Come back. Yeah.
East side.
Summer east side, careful. Yo, my main Zerg, play on the southeast side more, please. So on the southeast, why you guys on the east side even? Why you guys on my fucking east side? Play a little
Jorogi,
bit
mark
more,
shopping
okay?
if you see him.
Ready,
please.
def, shadow, def, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside.
Siege ball northwest.
Come back fast and heal up. Come back fast and heal up. Yo, kill those low people.
Siege ball.
Siege bow. Heal front line. Heal the gala inside. Shaper. Good. Na-heal up. Careful. Yo, boys, can you smash with me?
Sino yung mark? Touch me.
Ready, Def. Ready, Def, shallow. Guard rune. Just guard
Siege ball
rune.
up niya. Siege ball up.
Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Good job. Now come back. Zekol's on the north side, wrapping careful.
Siege ball.
Siege bow.
Nicole inching in. Wait.
Yeah, bombs, clean up this tank. Clean up this inside of me. There's a lot inside of me. Can kill them,
pump.
Double OC. Marlika, ready potion. Come north. Poppy boots. Potion. Marlika, counter southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter on me. Oh my god, it just missed the whole engage there. Come. Spread in heal up. Peel up. Yo, somebody